Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to talk about AI robots that can lead us into World War III. I'm going to break down what they are so you are aware. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So military robots are autonomous or remote controlled devices designed for various combat and support functions. Now, here are some key types of AI robots used in warfare and can lead us to WW3. We have unmanned aerial vehicles, also known as UAVs, combat drones capable of autonomous or remote controlled operations. Now, some notable examples, just to be more specific, is the MQ-9 Reaper, the MQ-1 Predator, the Bayraktar TB2, the U.S. Air Force Collaborative Combat Aircraft, and we have the unmanned ground vehicles, the UGVs. Now, in regards to reconnaissance and combat robots, we have the PackBot, which is the versatile robot with multiple payload bays. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Let's proceed. We have SWORDS, which is an acronym for Special Weapons Observation Reconnaissance Detection System. Armed battlefield robot. We have the Themis, the tracked hybrid modular infantry system. The support vehicle for soldiers, we have Talon Swords, which is counterinsurgency robot with modular weapon attachments. Humanoid military robots designed to perform complex battlefield tasks, right? The capabilities include firefighting missions, carrying heavy equipment, independent operation with advanced AI systems. Now, we're going to have some examples, right? We have the Russian Fodor robot, which can shoot with two hands. The Shaft android robot, adopted by U.S. Marine Corps. Specialized robotic systems. The bomb disposal robots like PackBot, right? Used to safely approach and disarm explosive devices. You have surveillance robots equipped with advanced sensors and cameras for intelligence gathering. You have nano drones, emerging technology, including insect-sized swarm robots. So these AI robots are transforming warfare by providing improved intelligence, reducing human casualties, and increasing operational efficiency. Now, how can these robots cause WW3? So these AI robots could potentially trigger World War III through several dangerous mechanisms. You have the automated military decision making, the development of AI-powered command and control systems like the U.S. Joint All-Domain Command and Control, the GADC2, creates scenarios where automated systems could escalate conflicts rapidly. These systems could potentially make split-second decisions about military engagements, misinterpret data as threats, trigger retaliatory actions without human intervention. Now, there's also a risk of flash wars. Experts warn of potential flash war scenarios similar to financial market flash crashes where AI systems could rapidly escalate conflicts between opposing military AI systems, create a cascading sequence of automated military responses, potentially trigger nuclear exchanges within seconds. There's the international AI arms race, the competition between major powers. You have the Chinas, the Russias, the United States. To develop advanced military AI creates significant tension. Each nation is developing sophisticated AI systems designed to identify military vulnerabilities, coordinate cross-domain precision strikes, automate battlefield decision-making, technological unpredictability. AI systems are prone to critical errors and hallucinations that could mistakenly interpret scenarios as requiring military action. These unpredictable algorithmic mistakes could potentially simulate non-existent threats, launch preemptive strikes based on incorrect data, escalate tensions between nations. Now, expert warnings. Prominent figures like Elon Musk have explicitly warned that the global race for AI superiority could be the most likely cause of World War III. The fundamental risk lies in the potential for autonomous weapons to make life or death decisions without meaningful human oversight. Which also begs us to question, what are the potential consequences of AI-controlled nuclear weapons? Now, you have escalation and misinterpretation risks. So AI systems could dramatically increase the likelihood of nuclear conflict by misreading diplomatic signals as threats, reducing human decision-making time during critical moments, potentially interpreting deterrence efforts as imminent attack signals. You have technical vulnerabilities, right? The integration of AI into nuclear systems introduces severe technical dangers. You have the susceptibility to manipulation through simple input changes, high false positive rates in predicting rare events, potential for cyber attacks that could compromise nuclear systems. You have decision-making limitations. So AI lacks crucial human contextual understanding, which could lead to hasty nuclear launch decisions, reduced sense of responsibility for potential consequences, the inability to recognize nuanced threat scenarios, like the historical precedent, the Stanislav Petrov incident in 1983 illustrates the critical importance of human judgment. During a false missile launch alert, a human officer recognized the system's malfunction and prevented a potential nuclear response. The international concerns, major powers, again, you have the Chinas, the USs of the world, have acknowledged these risks. So in October, both nations agreed that humans, not AI, should make nuclear weapon decisions. You have potential catastrophic outcomes. Now, this is like the worst case scenarios, right? Like an accidental nuclear war triggered by AI misinterpretation, the rapid, uncontrollable escalation of conflicts, potential global extinction through automated nuclear exchanges. Now, how can we ensure that AI systems prioritize human safety over military objections? That's a very key question to ask because things are just getting more technical and more advanced. So key governance principles, like the US government has established critical guidelines to maintain human safety in AI military applications, to ensure AI systems comply with international humanitarian law, maintain a responsible human chain of command and control, prioritize human rights, civil liberties, and safety over technological capabilities, human-machine collaboration, effective, right, AI integration demands, comprehensive training for military personnel on AI capabilities and limitation, developing synergistic partnerships with or where human judgment complements AI insights, creating collaborative frameworks that keep humans central to decision making. Now, in regards to risk management strategies, critical safeguards include identifying and prohibiting high-risk AI use cases, implementing rigorous testing of AI models before deployment, establishing clear boundaries for AI system autonomy, maintaining transparent and auditable AI systems, ethical deployment principles. Military AI systems must prioritize minimizing collateral damage, incorporate ethical considerations into targeting systems, require explicit human approval for critical decisions, and maintain accountability throughout operational processes. That is what I have for you today. Please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Once again, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. I appreciate your viewership. Let me know your comments in the comment section below. See you on the next video.